Welcome to this video tutorial, the first in a series on how to use the Olrac Dynamic Data Logger, a computer program designed for skippers to record their logbook returns. In this first tutorial, I'm going to cover getting started and filling in administration details. The first thing you need to do is locate the Olrac icon on your desktop. Double click on this and it will take you to what is called the login page. When the login page first comes up, it will have administrator as the username. The password is oldfishadmin, spelt like this, so type this in. This will take you to the main page. On the left is the data tree. In the middle section is the mapper, and on the far right is what is called the action panel, where the buttons will change depending on what you're doing. To enter administration details, go into Tools, Configuration, and then click on System Users. This System Users is a record of people authorized to use Olrac on this computer. Each skipper must have their own username and password to submit e-logs. They cannot use another person's. You can see there are 7 fields to enter. You only have to enter these details once and the program will store the fields. These first 2 fields will be your username and password to log into Olrac. Once you enter these, you will be required to log in using this rather than administrator login. Now, as an example, let's have a company called FishX that employs a Greg to skipper the boat. Greg will enter his details here, so he might want his username as his first name. And the password is just any sort of password he wants to use that he can remember. The next 3 fields are the concession holder, the client ID, this is the GoFish user ID that is assigned to the person or the company by AFMA. So we'll enter just a fictitious ID, his name of the company, and the email address. And these last 2, the AFMA authentication, that's Greg's GoFish user ID and his password. So that again, that's a 5-digit number. And password, whatever he uses. Then you click Save Changes. So you can see now there's 2 usernames, the administrator and the oldfishadmin, which are used to get in and add further usernames, and there's Greg. If you've got another skipper, you can just simply click Add and that adds another skipper, or if these details need to be changed, you then click Edit. And if you want to remove the skipper from the system, you press Delete here. And that is all I want to cover in this tutorial. During this tutorial, you should have learned how to log in as administrator and put in your e-log administration details. There are more tutorials to look at, including getting the GPS signal to feed into your Olrac program, how to enter your catch data, and sending off your returns. Thank you.